Dantes, stop using the shotgun. Stop. It's bad. You want
Okay, then
range.
how did you get to champion with it?
Yo, alright. Okay, no, okay, cool. Let's troll around.
I'm not trolling! Dude, okay, genuinely.
Okay.
But when you're saying...
I'm a mute main because I have good positioning with mute. You have the positioning of a coughing baby. That's your positioning. So what I want you to do is use ARs and SMGs, because for shotguns, you have to position yourself well.